What's up, Matthew Walters here, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the side bridge and some of its variations. Okay, so the side bridge is an excellent exercise that's going to help challenge and help to stabilize the lateral compartments of your spine. So that kind of includes the obliques, it's going to include the lats, and it actually is going to include your Quadratus lumborum or your QL as well. The side bridge is going to be an excellent exercise to add into your routine, whether you're an athlete or whether you're somebody who has low back pain or whether you're just trying to be a little bit healthier. It's going to help stiffen and stabilize your spine to prevent injury and improve performance. If you're doing the side bridge for the first time and you're not really familiar with it, what you're going to want to do is start from your knees. So the side plank starts with your knees stacked on top of each other at about a 90-degree angle, and then your elbow almost directly below your shoulder. Place your opposite hand on the shoulder just to create a little bit more stability. From here, you're going to find that nice neutral position in your spine, not overly rotated from side to side and not overly flexed or extended. A nice neutral position. You're going to push that arm into the ground, pack that arm down, and then just like you would in a squat or a hinge, you're going to hinge or squat up into position and hold. You're going to lower yourself back down using that same squat or hinge. In that extended position, you want to be stiffening and strengthening through the entire core, but you're definitely going to feel it on the side closest to the ground. The next progression is to take this hand and place it on the hips just to add a little bit more load. So once you're comfortable with those variations, the next progression of the side plank is to extend your feet out, and then you're going to put your top leg in front of your bottom leg. You still want a little bit of a bend in the knee and a bend in that hips, and then you get set up into that same stable core position. Again, to start out, you can put that hand on the shoulder just to add a little bit more stability. From here, press that arm into the ground, stabilize through the spine, activate the legs as well, and then extend up into that position. Hold that, and then once you're done in that same squat and hinge fashion, you're going to hinge down back to where you started. The big part about progressing this is once you're up into that position, you want to make sure that you're nice and level, you're not twisting backwards, you're not twisting forwards, and that you're not flexed forward as well. You want to be extended, nice neutral posture, nice and straight and stable. Again, a slight progression is to take that hand away from the shoulder and then place it on the hips. In the final variation, you're going to add a little bit of a rotational component to make it more challenging. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to start out with the exact same. Nice stiff in the core, nice and straight. Extend up into position, and then from here, you're going to rotate down onto the elbow and then come back. What's very important is that as you're rotating, your pelvis is staying locked to your rib cage. So you're not getting, this happening where your pelvis is moving first. Both components, your whole entire torso is moving at the same time into that position and then coming back. What you don't want to see is where, again, the pelvis is rotating first and then the torso is following. You want to do it everything nicely at the same time and stay nice and stable. So an important note is that you're not letting your core, you're not letting your spine slump or bend laterally when doing all these variations, all right? So what you don't want is this relaxing, relaxing down into this position, right? Because if our spine is going from straight to now a curved position, that's just going to add more stress to our discs. So we want to make sure that we're staying throughout all these variations, we're staying nice and straight. Our spine is stacked, our spine is stiff, our core is stiff, and we're stable as we lift up into these positions and back down. Okay, and that is it for the side plank. A lot of this is based on the work of Dr. Stuart McGill, who is a fantastic resource for spine biomechanics or performance. If you have any other questions about this exercise, how to do the side plank, or any other technique aspects, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, if this made sense for you and this is going to help you perform a better side plank, I would really appreciate if you gave me a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on any more health and performance tips or advice, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and stay tuned for the next video. Real quick, if you haven't seen it already, I've put together a free 28-day health and performance guide that includes this exercise and a bunch more on helping you build healthy habits to improve your overall health, reduce pain, and improve performance. So if you want to take a look at that, the link will be in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace.